Hi, welcome to Gagajoy's Cooking today. We're going to be making something very different. It's called watermelon pizza. And I've already got the first piece grilled. I'm getting ready to put the second piece on. And put a little bit of olive oil on it. So when we turn it over, I've already got it on that one. Now this one, I've got a little bit of olive oil on it. And we're going to be putting just pretty leaves, or salad leaves on it. I just got a mixed one. It's spinach and a spring mix on it. And but when you take this one off, you put it in the refrigerator and cool it, and then you bring it out and put your salad on it, salad dressing on it. And so next one we're going to be putting Greek olives. This one is, like I said, a little unusual, but it is so good. And here lately we've been trying to stick with things for the summer, and this was just one of the ones that caught my eye. This is heirloom tomatoes cut in half. I love these heirloom tomatoes. I'm trying to grow some in my tomatoes vines this year, but you never know. Blueberries. Well, I think I'll put salt and pepper before I put the blueberries. You treat it just like your pizza. Blueberries. And feta cheese. You can use feta cheese a whole lot or a little bit. I'm not real crazy about it. I like it when it's done sparingly, but I'm not a real feta cheese person that likes it just dripping off of it. And we need to put a little bit of balsamic vinegar in with our olive oil as our dressing. And just drip it all over. I tell you, you shouldn't put this one off. Get it real quickly, especially for the 4th of July. Look how pretty it looks. Let me see how this one's doing. See the grill marks? I turned it over a little bit too quick. But as you see, it makes a beautiful, beautiful dessert. And who doesn't like watermelon? And heirloom tomatoes. Oh, that balsamic vinegar does it. My gosh. Well, it's too good not to sit down real quick and eat it while it's very fresh. I hope you try it real soon. If you love watermelon and everything that goes with it, try it for the 4th of July weekend. But this week, remember the joy. See you soon.